Imagine this, a simple item you carry, something as small as a single clove or a tiny key, holds the power to protect you, guide you, and bring abundance for years to come. What if I told you that by simply keeping this object in your pocket, you could unlock peace, prosperity, and protection that lasts a lifetime? In Buddhist teachings, everyday objects are believed to carry immense spiritual energy when used with purpose and intention. From monks to everyday seekers, this wisdom has been passed down to help us in times of need. Today, we're diving into some of these timeless practices, simple rituals that tap into this ancient wisdom and bring powerful, positive changes into your life. So why are these objects so powerful? Why do Buddhists believe that carrying something as humble as a clove or key could transform our journey? Let's explore the hidden power within these objects and how they can act as a shield, bringing good fortune and inner peace when we need it most. And stay with me, because each of these practices is like a treasure, simple yet filled with purpose, rooted in centuries-old wisdom. Whether you're searching for peace, financial luck, or a way to protect your inner happiness, these practices could be exactly what you need. Are you ready to uncover these simple but profound secrets that could shape the next 50 years of your life? Let's begin. The idea behind these practices may seem simple, yet their impact can be incredibly profound. In Buddhism, objects like a clove, a small key, or even a humble thread are seen as more than just items. They're symbols and carriers of energy. Each one can be a reminder, a protector, or a way to attract positivity and resilience into your life. When used with intention, they become powerful tools for our inner journey. Think about it. So many of us are looking for peace in a chaotic world or seeking prosperity in uncertain times. We spend so much time worrying, yet sometimes the answers lie in the small, intentional actions we take every day. In Buddhist philosophy, carrying these objects is like carrying a piece of wisdom with you, something that keeps you grounded, focused, and aligned with your inner purpose. Today, we'll explore 3 of these powerful practices. 1. Boosting financial luck with cloves. 2. The protective power of garlic. 3. Creating a personal charm with a key. These practices are more than just superstition. They've been used and respected for generations, passed down as a form of guidance and inner protection. Imagine the relief that comes from knowing you carry a small shield of positivity wherever you go, ready to dive in and discover how these simple objects can transform the way you feel, think, and live. Let's start with our first practice. 1. Boosting financial luck with cloves. Let's begin with something as simple as a clove. Yes, the same tiny spice you might find in your kitchen. In Buddhism and other spiritual traditions, cloves are believed to attract prosperity and protect against negative energy. Imagine that. Something so small could potentially guide you toward financial luck and stability. Here's how to use cloves for this purpose. Step 1. Choose 3 fresh cloves. When choosing your cloves, take a moment to set your intention. Think about what financial security means to you: peace, stability, or even freedom from worry. Hold these thoughts as you select each clove. Step 2. Bless the cloves. This is where you focus on infusing the cloves with your energy and intention. Hold them in your hands, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Imagine a golden light surrounding the cloves, filling them with warmth and positivity. Envision this light attracting abundance and removing any financial obstacles in your path. Step 3. Carry them in your pocket or wallet. Place the cloves somewhere you carry daily, like your wallet or pocket. Each time you feel their presence, remind yourself of your intention. These cloves act as a subtle reminder, a source of comfort and focus that keeps your mind aligned with your goals. In Buddhist philosophy, even small actions, when done with mindfulness, can invite great change. The cloves represent your commitment to inviting prosperity, keeping you focused on the positive aspects of abundance instead of fear or lack. Imagine that every time you reach for your wallet or feel the cloves, you're reconnecting with that purpose. Reflective moment. What does abundance truly mean to you? Is it just financial, or does it include peace of mind and happiness? Take a moment to think about how inviting abundance could transform not only your wealth, but your overall well-being. 2. The protective power of garlic. Next, we have garlic, another common kitchen staple, but one that holds immense spiritual value. Known for its protective properties, garlic is used in Buddhist rituals to ward off negativity and unwanted energies. Imagine carrying this natural protector, feeling a sense of security, knowing you're guarded from negative influences wherever you go. To use garlic for protection, try this. Step 1. Select a fresh garlic clove. Look for one that feels solid and full of life. Think of it as choosing your own personal protector, something small yet strong, a constant presence of positive energy. Step 2. Set your intention. Hold the garlic clove in your hand and focus on your intention. Picture a protective shield forming around you, blocking out negativity and harm. Visualize this shield as a radiant, impenetrable barrier, allowing only positive energy to flow in. Step 3. Place it in your bag or near your front door. Carry the garlic clove with you or place it near your entryway to protect your home. Each time you see or feel it, remember its purpose and allow it to reassure you. Garlic has been revered for centuries as a protector. In Buddhist teachings, this practice isn't just about keeping bad things away, but about maintaining a peaceful environment where your mind can stay calm and clear. Reflective moment. How often do you find yourself affected by negativity, whether from people or situations around you? Imagine the comfort of having a small source of protection, allowing you to focus on the things that truly bring you peace. 3. Creating a personal charm with a key. Finally, let's talk about the power of a key. Not just any key, but one that becomes a personal symbol for you. In Buddhist symbolism, keys represent access to inner wisdom and the unlocking of spiritual potential. Carrying a key with intention can remind you of your own ability to unlock inner peace, wisdom, and protection. Here's how to create your personal charm. Step 1. Choose a key that resonates with you. This could be an old key you no longer use, or a special one you keep as a charm. Hold it in your hand and think about what it could unlock within you: calmness, clarity, courage, or anything you're seeking. Step 2. Infuse it with positive energy. Close your eyes and envision a gentle light flowing from your heart into the key. Imagine this light filling the key with calm, wisdom, and strength. Think of this as a reminder that you have the power to unlock these qualities within yourself whenever you need them. Step 3. Keep it close. Carry the key with you, perhaps on a chain or in your pocket. Each time you feel it, remember that you hold the key to your own peace and wisdom. It's a reminder that no matter what happens around you, you have the power to access calmness and clarity within. Reflective moment. What are you trying to unlock in your life? Peace, confidence, maybe a sense of direction? Let this key remind you that you hold the power to access these qualities whenever you need them. To deepen our understanding of these practices, let's look at a few stories from Buddhist teachings that reveal the hidden strength of small acts and objects. These stories remind us that even the smallest items, like a clove, a garlic clove, or a key, can carry immense power when imbued with purpose and intention. Story 1. The Generosity of Anathapindika. There's a famous Buddhist story about a wealthy merchant named Anathapindika. Known for his generosity, Anathapindika used his wealth to help others, building shelters for those in need, and always giving food and money to the poor. However, Anathapindika didn't just give material things. He also gave blessings, hope, and intention. When he offered someone help, he held a thought of peace and abundance for that person, wishing them happiness beyond the material aid he provided. One day, he shared with the Buddha that he always carried a small object, a coin blessed by a monk, in his pocket as a reminder to give with his heart, not just his hands. This small coin wasn't about wealth, but symbolized his commitment to compassion and kindness. The Buddha praised this act, saying that any object held with good intention becomes a source of positive energy, not only for the person carrying it, but for everyone they meet. Reflection. This story teaches us that objects we carry with intention can radiate the energy we pour into them. By carrying something simple like a clove or a key, we align ourselves with the energy of kindness, abundance, and protection, values that ripple outwards, affecting not only us, but those around us. Story 2. The Monk and the Garlic Clove. In another story, a monk in a small Buddhist village was known for his calm and protective presence. People often sought him out for blessings or guidance, especially during times of illness or hardship. The monk revealed that his strength and protection came from his mindfulness and faith, not any grand ritual or rare talisman. He kept only a garlic clove in his robe as a reminder of simplicity and purity. When asked about the garlic clove, he explained that it represented his vow to ward off thoughts of greed, anger, and negativity, the real diseases in the world. By holding this intention, he created a powerful energy of protection around himself and his community. Reflection. This story encourages us to see everyday objects as reminders of our own inner vows. When we carry garlic or another symbol with mindfulness, we create a protective energy field around us, not because of the object itself, but because of the intention we carry. Story 3. The Locked Door and the Hidden Key. There's also a tale of a young monk who was troubled by feelings of doubt and fear, constantly searching for peace, but never quite finding it. One day, he approached an elder monk for guidance, explaining how he felt locked out from true inner peace. The elder monk handed him an old key, saying, "This key is only as powerful as the doors you believe it can unlock. It's not just a tool, but a reminder that peace, courage, and clarity are already within you." He encouraged the young monk to carry the key, visualizing it as a symbol of his ability to unlock these qualities within himself. Over time, the key became a cherished reminder for the young monk. Each time he felt fear or doubt, he held the key, reminding himself that he had the power to unlock his own peace. Reflection. This story shows us that the real keys to happiness are within. By carrying an actual key with the right intention, we remind ourselves that we are capable of unlocking strength, calmness, and wisdom whenever we need them. These stories connect us to the essence of Buddhist wisdom. It's not about the objects themselves, but about the purpose and love we infuse into them. Carrying a clove, garlic clove, or key isn't a magical solution. Rather, it's a physical reminder of the qualities we want to nurture: abundance, protection, and peace. As we explore these practices, remember that they're not just rituals. They're moments to reconnect with yourself and your inner strength. Each practice invites you to reflect on the qualities you want to cultivate, whether it's abundance, protection, or inner peace. Take a moment to think about this. What do you want to attract or protect in your life? Is it financial security, inner calm, or perhaps a sense of safety in your surroundings? Each object you carry serves as a gentle reminder to focus on these intentions, anchoring you to what matters most. Reflective practice for financial abundance. After placing the cloves in your pocket or wallet, ask yourself, what does abundance truly mean to me? Take a moment to visualize yourself living a life filled with abundance, not just financially, but in terms of joy, health, and meaningful connections. Imagine the cloves attracting these blessings like a magnet, bringing you closer to the life you desire. Reflective practice for protection. As you carry the garlic clove, think about the things or people that bring negativity into your life. Visualize a strong, clear boundary around you, a shield of light that keeps out harmful energies and preserves your peace. Each time you feel the garlic clove in your pocket or near your door, remind yourself that you are safe, protected, and surrounded by positivity. Reflective practice for inner wisdom. When holding the key, close your eyes and think about something you want to unlock within yourself. It could be confidence, clarity, or resilience. Visualize the key turning in a lock, gently opening a door within you that leads to this quality. Imagine stepping into this part of yourself and feeling that inner strength radiate throughout your being. Each practice, simple as it may seem, invites a powerful shift in mindset. It's about moving from a state of fear or doubt into one of trust and confidence, knowing that these qualities already exist within you. Reminder for daily practice. As you go about your day, carry these objects with a sense of purpose. Let them remind you to be mindful, to act with intention, and to stay focused on the qualities you wish to bring into your life. Every time you feel the cloves, garlic, or key, take a breath, ground yourself, and remember your intention. Over time, you may notice a profound shift, a sense of peace and purpose that grows stronger with each passing day. Let's bring everything together with a few simple affirmations and visualizations that reinforce the power of each practice. These affirmations will help you carry forward the energy of abundance, protection, and wisdom that these practices symbolize. Take a moment, close your eyes, and follow along with each visualization. Let these words sink in deeply so they resonate with your mind and heart. Affirmation for abundance with cloves. Hold the cloves in your hand or place them in your pocket. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, repeat quietly, I am open to abundance. I attract prosperity in all forms, and I am grateful for the blessings flowing into my life. Visualize yourself surrounded by light, radiating out from your heart, attracting positivity and prosperity. Imagine the cloves glowing softly, as if absorbing this energy and amplifying it. Feel the peace and security that come with knowing abundance is part of your journey. Affirmation for protection with garlic. If you're carrying the garlic clove, hold it for a moment. Take a steady breath and say, I am safe, I am protected. I release all negative energy, and I welcome peace into my life. Picture a bright, protective shield forming around you, glowing with strength and clarity. This shield is impenetrable to negativity, allowing only good energy to flow in. Feel the calm and security that this protective field brings, and trust that you are guarded. Affirmation for inner wisdom with the key. Hold the key in your hand, close your eyes, and repeat gently, I hold the key to my inner peace and wisdom. All the answers I seek are within me. Imagine yourself standing before a door within your heart. As you turn the key, this door gently opens, revealing a world of calm, clarity, and courage. Feel this strength radiate through you, knowing that wisdom and peace are always within reach. These affirmations, combined with the simple objects you carry, create a powerful practice that helps you stay grounded and focused on what truly matters. With each step, you're reinforcing the qualities of abundance, protection, and wisdom in your life. These aren't just words, they're intentions that can shape your experience, helping you feel more centered, connected, and resilient each day. As you begin to incorporate these practices into your life, remember that you're part of a larger community of seekers, each on a journey to find peace, purpose, and happiness. I invite you to try these practices and share your experience with us in the comments. What small object are you carrying, and how has it impacted your day? Has it brought you peace, or perhaps reminded you of your inner strength? By sharing, you help create a space where we all learn and grow together. Let's support each other on this journey, exchanging wisdom and stories that keep us connected. And if these practices have inspired you, don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit. Together, let's build a community rooted in intention, inner peace, and a shared commitment to well-being. Thank you for being here, and may your path be filled with blessings, peace, and protection.